Good morning students. Today we are going to start lesson number 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Take out your textbook, page number 113. First we'll try to understand what is adolescence. Adolescence is a period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. This is called adolescence. It starts from the age of 11 and will continue till the age of 18 or 19 years. Since these are teen years of your age, you are also called as teenagers. So this is your teen age, 13, 14, 15, 16. This you can observe that the last teen is written. So we also call the person as teenagers or adolescents. Now let us understand the word puberty. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. You will learn what are these changes in the later part of the chapter. So when the body undergoes the different changes, these changes are actually marked as puberty. In boys, the puberty is different, means the signs are different, the changes are different as compared to that of girls. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches the reproductive maturity, means once the reproductivity of your body completes, your puberty ends, means mostly at the age of 19 years you are an adult, you are grown up. So that is the end of the puberty. Now what are the changes which you observe during puberty? So the changes at the puberty are, you can see increase in height, sudden increase in height. Second point, change in body shape. Third point, voice changes. Fourth is increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands, development of sex organs, and the last one, that is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Let us understand these all points, these all changes at the stage of puberty one by one. First is increase in height. So you can observe that once you step into adolescent period, there is sudden increase in height. Suddenly your height increases at a faster rate. At this time, the bones of arms and legs elongate and makes a person tall. But the height of the person depends on some of the family members. If your parents are taller, there is 99% chances or surety that you will also be a tall person. However, it is also depending on the kind of food, the kind of nutrition you are taking at this stage. Since this is a growing stage, you need to take proper balanced diet, proper vitamins, minerals, proteins, so that maximum height can be achieved. Next point is, there is a picture in your book, page number 115, where a girl named Paheli is worrying. Why she is worrying? That she has become taller, but her face looks much smaller as compared to other body parts. So it happens sometimes that as you grow, your hands and your legs becomes very long, but the other body parts are still the same. So you feel that your body parts are not proportionate to your other body parts. But gradually, slowly, all these body parts will be proportionate with other body parts. So there is no need to worry. Slowly they all will become normal. So during this age it happens, it is a normal thing. So no need to worry about this. Second point is change in body shape. As your reproductivity grows in this stage, there are many changes inside your body. For example, in boys, there is development of shoulders and chest. The muscles of the body also grow more prominently in boys. But in girls, the body shape does not changes as it was changed as in the boys. For example, the boys develop wider shoulders, but the girls will not develop a wider shoulder. Thus, the changes occurring in boys and girls are different. In girls, the region below the waist will become wider. So, these are few changes in body shape during puberty or adolescent period. Next, voice change. In boys, you might have observed at your age that the voice of boys cracks sometime or it becomes hoarse because the larynx starts to grow. In boys, the larynx becomes bigger in size as compared to girls. And as the larynx or the voice box develops larger, you can also observe this large protruding part at your throat, which is also known as Adam's apple. But in girls, the larynx is hardly visible because in girls, the larynx does not grow at much larger size. So, we cannot see Adam's apple in girls. Next point is, during puberty, you can see an increased activity of sweat and oil glands. So, as you become more mature, the oil gland starts to secrete more amount of oil. As a result of this, you might face problems of acne or pimples during this age. Also, the sweat glands secrete more amount of sweats. So, there may be a possibility that more amount of sweat is released in your body as compared to your previous years. Next is development of sex organs. At puberty, the male sex organs starts developing. Testes and penis develops completely. The testes also begin to produce sperms. And in girls, the ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature. Also, the ovaries start releasing mature eggs. You had already studied this in your previous lesson. And also during this age, you feel more development of mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. So, adolescents are more independent than before. They also become self-conscious. During this age, intellectual development also takes place, and they tend to spend considerable time thinking. In fact, it is often the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity for learning. Sometimes, however, an adolescent may feel insecure because there are so many changes inside your body which feel you depressed, or you want to try to adjust these changes. So these all changes will make you little bit insecure. But there is no need to worry. You can always talk with your parents or with your adults, and as such these changes are a natural part of growing up, so you should take it up in a positive way. Please complete the homework given here. I hope you have understood the video. Try to read the chapter which will give you a better understanding. Thank you.